Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2020 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.